First line. Mango is a sweet and juicy fruit. Second line. It is known as the king of fruits. Third line. Mangoes are mostly grown in tropical countries like India. Fourth line. They come in many varieties and colors. Fifth line. The outer skin is green, yellow, or red. Sixth line. The inside pulp is soft and delicious. Seventh line. Mangoes are rich in vitamins and good for health. Eighth line. People eat mangoes raw or make juice, pickles, and desserts. Ninth line. The mango tree is large and gives shade. 10th line. Mango is loved by children and adults all over the world.